Good evening, ladies and gents. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday season. Now, I had to come to you guys as soon as I could before you guys get burned one more time, because I'm seeing this happen way too much. Too many people are getting burned on these bad node projects, and they're just dropping project after project every day. And a ton of these YouTubers on here are just getting this node project, getting that node project, getting this node project, and you guys are dumping 500 in this one, 500 in that one, 500 in that one, and most of these are horrible Ponzi schemes, and that's why I'm not dropping them on my channel. You saw even some of the ones that I dropped on my channel are doing horrible right now. And before you guys waste another dollar on a load of baloney, I have to say, like, there's a much healthier alternative. There's much better ways you guys can make passive income in crypto without so much risk. Like, these node projects are so risky, and it's a shame. I'm watching good people get hurt for no reason, all because you guys don't know better. I'm here tonight to try and show you guys a better way. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gents, I am in my computer, and I'm about to teach you guys a much better way that you guys can start getting some passive income steadily and make a full-time income in cryptocurrency. Are you guys ready for this? It is so simple, and I can't believe that we all overlooked this. Mining cryptocurrency. Ba-boom. You guys ready for this? Let's get into it. Alrighty, so you guys can go to a website right here called ASIC Miner Value, and this website right here is gonna tell you all of the best Bitcoin miners that you guys can get your hands on today. Almost the exact amount of money that these bad boys make per day. They give you all the details right here. Now this one didn't even come out yet. This bad boy is gonna be juicy. April 2022. I plan on getting my hands on this bad boy. Look it is gonna yield $320 a day. Now check this out. They've got the hash rate, they've got the power, the noise, they let you know how loud this thing is in your house, the algorithm that it's on. Gold Shell is a really good brand. Let's check out this Gold Shell right here. Now, not available yet. You see, first release is in April 2022. Now check it out down here. It actually gives you a load of websites that you could actually go and order this bad boy. Prices on all of them. You can pre-order, you can visit the websites right here, and it even gives you an estimated return on investment time. This is not financial advice, but the Gold Shell is the coolest the coolest Bitcoin miner you can get your hands on. They are the most profitable. They are the most energy efficient as well. Now, this website breaks down everything for you. This is about how much you'd make per day with this bad boy in your house. And this is how little it would cost you on electricity. Now, like I said, the gold shells are really good on electricity, and this website is really cool how it breaks it down for you. Now, $227 a month in electricity seems like a lot, but does $11,000 a month to just run a computer in your house sound fantastic? And here's your profit. It minuses the electricity off and tells you how much you're going to make. You're going to make $129,000 a year off this device, right? And yeah, like seriously, it's got everything here. Here's your specifications. It's got everything. And you guys can take this to Google, go check out the Gold Shell, go check out any of these bad boys. Check this out. I've got another website right here, Gold Shell KD5, right on the top. Check out this Gold Shell KD5. $250 a day, it says. Check this out. Gold Shell KD5, $217 a day. How about this? Bitmain Antminer, $174 a day. Bitmain Antminer, $179 a day. So see, both of these websites now are keeping track of the exact same data, right? And they are almost in the same ballpark. Their prices, what they're telling you about how much you're gonna make per day, per week, and per month. I like to look at this too over here. You can look in your GPUs. over here. If you guys have a gaming PC with a graphics card, you guys can mine off of that bad boy too. You've got your ASIC miners only over here, your Bitcoin miners. I really like this ASIC miner value website. If you guys are trying to get into mining cryptocurrency, but mining Bitcoin specifically, you guys have got to come check out this website. Let's start with the Gold Shell KD5 real quick. Let's take a look at the Gold Shell KD5 for you guys. The Gold Shell KD5 is yielding approximately $88,000 a year, and the best place to get it would be at goldshell.com, the actual manufacturer. So, and you can click on these will actually take you to the actual website's Gold Shell right here. It says that they're out of stock. These ones are in stock, but they're obviously reselling and trying to make a killing, because these are some really high prices to pay for something like this when you can go to Gold Shell and get them for $9,000. Now think about this though, is you'd make about $7,000 a month, $7,300 a month, and if you were able to nab one up off of Gold Shell, you'd make almost all your money back in the first month, and then thereafter every single month make a nice juicy chunk of cash every single month. And guess what, next month or 2 months from now, when you've got this amount of cash stacking up, you can go ahead on here and buy another one if you can snipe it. I mean, like, these are hard to get. It's hard to get them at this price. Even like that's a good price. If you get them within under 15,000, you can get them under 15,000 for this model. That's a good return on investment. Because they take you 2 months to get your money back, right? And before you know it, I mean, 2 months, if every 2 months you can get another one, and then once you have 2, it'll only take you 1 month to get another one, and then once you have 3, it'll only take you half a month to get another one. And before you know it, you've got 10 of these bad boys running in your house at $88,000 a year. You're making like $1 million a year, dude. Seriously? And like, okay, this is nasty right here. But might I suggest, if you guys live out west, like Arizona, where you get over 320 days of sunlight, maybe if you're going to invest in something like this, maybe also invest in like a solar powered shed, right? And put these all outside in your solar powered shed, so that way you shield yourself from the noise. You don't have to have them in the house with you, and then you can power the entire unit on the sun that naturally comes out and stays out all day long every single day in Arizona. So, and that will pay itself off as well. You'll pay for your solar panels, you'll pay for your Bitcoin miner, and you'll have a whole shed, and you won't have this electricity bill either. Let's say you guys don't have $9,000, right? I know that's a lot of money, and you guys also don't need $217 a day. That's also a lot of money. Maybe you guys only want to use half the power. Look at 1,200. How about 1,200 watts? $148. That's pretty good. How much these cost? You make $53,000 a year. Look at, now that's only costing you $100 a month on electric. That's not too bad. That could look normal. If your electric bill is $60 normally, and it's 103 for this bad boy, it's looking like 160, which is still realistic. It doesn't raise any eyebrows, and that's a lot of money to make every month. How much do they cost? You can only get them from one place. Oh my lord. Oh boy, guys. 52,000 if you guys want to play around with that. But look, there's a lot of them on this list. Some of them are cheaper, like the Gold Shell KD2. This is really low on power. $72 a day isn't too bad. Check it out here, guys. So yeah, you can get them on heavy resale for that much, you know, so like half as much as the other heavy resales. But look, only 3,600 on Gold Shell, only 4,500 on Bitcoin Merge, and 3,800 on Coin Mining. So these are all under $4,500, and this is not a bad price at all, guys. So, and to make 30 grand a year, seriously, guys, that pays itself off pretty quick. We're talking a month and a half ROI on this bad boy to get your KD2, to get your feet in the water with this bad boy. And you see, like, it actually shows you a graph of the daily profitability of this bad boy, and it's starting to climb again. See, it was down here, $58 a day, but at some point, this miner was providing $160 a day back in November. So, like, possibilities are endless. It's all right here. It depends on what you guys want to start with. You can get something itty bitty. You can get something like this down here, but look at this. Like, look at the power that they run. Is it worth it? You gotta ask yourself, is it worth it? Look at $1,500 a year. You were looking at that other one that I just showed you. $1,200 a year, but it was yielding you some decent chatter, like 30 G's. This is only yielding you 5,000. That's, see, so like it might not even be worth it. And what would they even run for? Let me just check. Let me see what they would run for you guys, so you guys know. See, so they're running for the same price as the other one. So do the math, guys. Seriously, check them out and do the math.
Look, this is to put some things into perspective for you, because I know that some of you guys dumped $5,000 in a node, in a ring node or something. And that's sad, because you're watching what's happening to the ring node, what's happening to our poor SoldierNodes and the Thor and all these other, they're getting hurt, they're getting beat down bad, and who knows if they will recover. I'd like to think that they will, but who knows if they will recover.
This Bitcoin mining has been around since 2009. It will always be around. We will always need people. Ethereum mining is really, really popular right now too. Helium mining, you can get yourself a helium hotspot miner for maybe $500.
There's a lot of different ways that you guys can get into this, and I'd like you guys to just use this website as a rough guide.
Live income estimates, updated every minute. So it doesn't get any better than this. So if you guys really want to get into some stable passive income, this is something that you can grow and build an empire off of. You start with one and build from there. It's not a node that you're gonna like wake up every day and be worried if you're gonna get your return on investment back before the project dies or you get rug pulled. And that's sad. It's sad that we have to worry about that, man. Every day, a lot of these investments that our fellow YouTubers out here are sharing with us are getting rugged over and over, and people are getting burned. So definitely think about this, guys. You know, like, yes, these are costly. Yes, you'll have to wait for them to come in the mail, but at least you're getting something legit. This could be your best friend that makes money for you in your house. It's like a pet. Feed it electricity and you manage it, you make sure it's A-okay, and it says, I'm gonna make a full-time income for you, buddy, right? And then soon he gets lonely and he makes enough money for you, and then you buy him a friend. I don't recommend that you guys buy into any more node projects. I mean, and if I see a nice one, I will drop it, and it won't be financial advice, but I will share it with you guys if I see a nice node project. But I'd like to show you guys how to mine cryptocurrency, seriously. And if you guys can't afford this, there's ways that you could use your regular PC, and I'll share those in another video. So if you like this, like the video, subscribe, man, smack that notification bell, and tomorrow I'm gonna come to you hard with other ways that you guys can start making cryptocurrency from home with your PC. No matter what kind of PC, whether you have a graphics card or not, you can start making a couple dollars a day, man. It all starts somewhere. And you're getting coins, you're getting the crypto coin. So if you held the coin, this couple dollars a day could soon be worth hundreds of dollars a day if you wait for a better time to sell them, right? So there's always that too. There's the profit potential of the coins going up in value as opposed to the dollar, which always goes down in value, right? I hope this really helps you guys. I hope it opened your eyes about some stuff that you can do. Look at this one right here, 30 watt jazz miner brick, 1,400 a year. It's itty bitty. 2,000, it's in stock. So check this out, guys. If you guys want to get into this, Look at this. This will make you $1,400 a year. It's only going to make you $4 a day. It's only going to cost you 9 cents electricity a day. This is a cool way to get in. If you guys want to get in, it's not going to make you very much, but if you have a little army in these things, that'd be pretty cool. Whatever you guys want to do, it's at your own pace. You know, there's no rush with this, man. It's not going anywhere. You know, Bitcoin mining, Ethereum mining, this is here to stay, man. We're doing a service to the blockchain. Us crypto miners, we're providing security to blockchain transactions, security that's very well needed, and they're willing to pay us for that security. And you see gas fees on Ethereum, $85 for a gas fee. Seriously. So there's money to be made. We're getting part of that gas fee, or most of that gas fee. If this doesn't work for you guys, but if you guys like the idea of being able to mine cryptocurrency for money, then tomorrow I'm going to be dropping more videos showing you guys some other really snazzy, cool ways that you guys can start getting your hands on mining cryptocurrency right now or very soon for not these prices, not in this wait time either. As for right now, guys, have a great night. I love you guys so much. Smash the like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.